What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty should be that squishing the yoke. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she gotta go. Shorty she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
I received a wear and go pre-plucked lace wig, and y'all, I will always recommend a pre-plucked wear and go wig. These wigs are beginner friendly. I believe this is a 6x4, which means I have a long parting space, and also it stops like right about here. But y'all, these wigs don't go nowhere, so you don't have to glue it down. You don't have to pluck your lace, it already comes pre-plucked. You don't even have to cut it because it already comes cut. Like I said, I highly recommend pre-cut lace wigs. Also, this is my first time working with this company, and I can honestly say I am very impressed. For it to have color, this hair is real silky and real smooth. I honestly didn't have to do too much passes when it came to straightening it. Also, this wig is a air wig. As you guys saw in the beginning, I showed the inside of the wig, which means it is breathable. It is easy for you to itch your scalp. You don't have to go ahead and look for a comb and like dig in your scalp. I mean, you could, but you can also just use a hand and it targets that itch. Like, literally targets that itch. I love beginner friendly wigs. Like, life has become so easy. So easy when it comes to getting cute. You don't have to waste much time on your hair. Literally throw in the wig and go. You don't have to pluck. You don't have to cut. You don't have to do nothing but put your foundation on the lace, and that's it. You're set to go. So like I said, this is SoulLady hair. I received 22" of the Peekaboo highlight. I love it. Go ahead and get you a wear and go wig. These wigs are in right now. If you ain't got one, you bugging. These are it. These wigs is taking over. Literally, the pre-pluck is taking over. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're interested in the same exact wig, the link will be down below. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.